Well, the fate of the long-defunct airline Jet Airways has finally been decided by the Supreme Court of India. The hearing took place this morning and was headed by CJI Chandrachud as well as Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra. The airline has been ordered to be liquidated as per the provisions of IBC 2016, and NCLAT Mumbai will be carrying out the liquidation process. Apart from that, the Supreme Court has also set aside NCLAT order allowing transfer of ownership of the airline to JKC or Jalan Calroc Consortium. Now, JKC failed to implement the resolution plan due to non-compliance and non-payment during the resolution process, and they didn't meet that in the stipulated period of 270 days is what the Supreme Court has said. Apart from that, they infused about 200 crore rupees which has been forfeited. All their bank guarantees as well that they furnished during the resolution process have also been invoked. Now, for background, the Jet Airways saga began back in 2019 due to severe financial troubles. State Bank of India is one of the largest lenders and was the one to initiate the insolvency proceedings first against the company before the NCLT Mumbai. In 2021, JKC emerged as a successful bidder for the airline's revival but failed to comply with certain conditions. They also had to pay 8,000 crore rupees to the lenders, and the big bone of contention why this was brought in front of the Supreme Court of India and was triggered was because of the NCLAT permission to JKC to use 150 crore from their bank guarantee as part of their payment for the 350 crore rupees that they were supposed to pay to the lenders. So that was the big bone of contention, and today the Jet Airways matter has been put to rest with this particular verdict.